Didn't think anyone could out Chanel Genie until Tyler showed up. So as we know, Genie is Chanel's global ambassador. Like, the vibe gives elegance, high fashion, and aspiration. But with Tyler's new single, Chanel, I felt something different. That's what I think is happening. Tyler is styled head to toe in vintage Chanel in a music video. The chorus itself says, it gives demand and a feeling of luxury being part of identity. Meanwhile with Genie, and this is not hate, I watch her campaigns, I love them, she always looks stunning, she's beautiful, amazing. But I never thought, I want that bag now. I want that top now. With Tyler, for some reason, it just felt different. It felt kind of relatable, almost reachable, and the desire driving factor is there. So from a marketing perspective, because I'm a marketing student, Tyler is doing what brands crave: cultural relevance, authenticity, and story. She's not just giving the face of Chanel. She embodies a moment where luxury meets local global fusion. At least that's what I felt. If you're a creator or you are building your brand, yes, you and me, make people want it and not just admire it.